Hello, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to begin on a journey filled with excitement and wonder? There's nothing quite like exploring the world with your family. The thrill of discovering new places together is unmatched. The shared laughter, the amazing discoveries, the memories you create together, it's pure magic. Every moment spent together is a treasure. Traveling with kids opens their eyes to new cultures and experiences. It broadens their horizons and makes them more adaptable. It teaches them valuable life lessons about different people and places. They learn to appreciate diversity and develop empathy. And let's be honest, it's a chance for us parents to feel like kids again too. We get to relive our childhood through their eyes. Remember that first time your child saw the ocean? The look of awe and wonder on their face is unforgettable. Or the excitement of trying exotic new foods. Watching them take that first bite and seeing their reaction is priceless. These are the moments that shape childhoods and create lasting bonds. They become stories that are told and retold for years to come. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. The world is waiting for us to explore it, one family adventure at a time. Let's face it, traveling with kids isn't always sunshine and rainbows. We've all been there. The meltdowns in the airport, the "are we there yet?" on repeat. But don't worry, a little preparation can go a long way. Pack a boredom booster bag filled with snacks, games, and activities to keep little hands occupied. Break up long journeys with fun stops. Let kids burn off energy at a park or playground. And remember the power of a well-timed treat. Most importantly, stay calm and patient. Kids feed off our energy. A positive attitude can work wonders in diffusing stressful situations. A successful family trip starts with a little planning, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. First, choose a destination that caters to everyone's interests. Beach vacation, theme park adventure, historical exploration. The options are endless. Once you've picked your destination, involve your kids in the planning process. Let them help choose activities and restaurants. This gets them excited about the trip and makes them feel like valued members of the team. When it comes to packing, less is more. Pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. And don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and any necessary medications. The world is your family's oyster. But with so many incredible destinations to choose from, it can be tough to narrow it down. For first-time travelers, I always recommend starting with a familiar and easy-to-navigate destination. Think theme parks, like Disney World, or family-friendly beach resorts. Looking for something a little more adventurous? How about a national park adventure in the USA, or exploring the ancient ruins of Rome? No matter your family's interests, there's a perfect destination out there waiting to be discovered. Do your research, read reviews, and choose a place that sparks joy for everyone. Remember, when you travel with kids, things don't always go according to plan. Flights get delayed, weather changes, and sometimes meltdowns happen. The key is to embrace the unexpected and go with the flow. Be flexible with your itinerary. If you need to skip an activity or two, that's okay. The most important thing is to create positive memories and enjoy the journey together. Some of the best travel stories come from those unexpected detours and unplanned adventures. Creating memories. Our family adventures around the world. Traveling as a family has always been a cornerstone of our lives, a way to bond and create unforgettable memories. One of my favorite family travel memories is from a trip to Costa Rica. The lush landscapes and vibrant culture made it an unforgettable destination. We were zip-lining through the rainforest, surrounded by the sounds of nature and the thrill of adventure. My son, who was initially terrified, ended up having the time of his life. His initial fear turned into pure joy as he embraced the experience. The look on his face as he soared through the trees, the feeling of accomplishment, and the sheer excitement were priceless. The shared laughter and the sense of togetherness, it's a moment I'll cherish forever. These are the moments that define our family adventures. We've had countless other incredible experiences on our family travels, each one unique and special in its own way. From snorkeling with sea turtles in Hawaii, where the underwater world felt like a magical realm, to exploring ancient temples in Thailand, where history and culture come alive in every corner. Each trip has brought us closer together, created lasting memories, and taught us valuable lessons about the world and ourselves. It has instilled in my children a love for exploration and adventure, a curiosity about different cultures, and an appreciation for the beauty of our planet. The gift of travel, why exploring together matters. Family travel is an investment in your children's education, in their worldview, and in your family bond. It teaches children valuable life lessons about different cultures, customs, and ways of life. It fosters empathy, understanding, and a sense of wonder about the world around them. And most importantly, it creates memories that will last a lifetime. The shared experiences, the laughter, the challenges overcome together. These are the moments that shape childhoods and strengthen family connections. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next family adventure today. Tips for traveling with kids of different ages. Traveling with children of different ages can be a rewarding yet challenging experience. Each age group has its own unique needs and preferences, which can make planning a trip a bit more complex. Traveling with toddlers presents different challenges than traveling with teenagers. Toddlers need constant attention and care, while teenagers seek more independence and adventure. Here are a few age-specific tips to make your trip smoother and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Stick to their routine as much as possible. Maintaining a familiar schedule helps toddlers feel secure and reduces the chances of meltdowns. Pack plenty of snacks and familiar comfort items. Having their favorite snacks and toys can keep toddlers happy and occupied during long journeys. Choose destinations with kid-friendly activities and attractions. Look for places that offer playgrounds, interactive exhibits, and other engaging activities. Involve them in the planning process. School-aged kids love to feel included, and giving them a say in the itinerary can make them more excited about the trip. Let them pack their own fun bag with books, games, and activities. This gives them a sense of responsibility and ensures they have things to do during downtime. Choose destinations that offer a mix of education and entertainment. Places like science museums, historical sites, and nature reserves can be both fun and informative. Give them some independence and let them choose some activities. Teenagers appreciate having the freedom to explore and make their own choices. Encourage them to document the trip through photos, videos, or journaling. This can be a creative outlet and a way for them to remember the experience. Choose destinations that align with their interests, whether it's music, fashion, or adventure. Tailoring parts of the trip to their passions can make the experience more enjoyable for them. Bon voyage, embracing the journey together. As you embark on your next family adventure, remember to relax, have fun, and embrace the journey. Don't sweat the small stuff. Be present in the moment. And most importantly, create memories that will last a lifetime. The world is waiting to be explored, and there's no better way to experience it than together as a family. Bon voyage!